If you're looking to order some food with the Bolt app and want to find deals or restaurants that have the cheapest delivery rate, then I'm going to show you how to filter that so that you can get the cheapest delivery rate for your food so you don't have to spend much money or a lot of money on delivery. So what you want to do is once you're in the Bolt app or the Bolt food app, just simple look to where you have the search for food and you will see on the right hand side that it shows like a little filter. Click on that and then you will have the option that says cheapest delivery. Once you click on that ready button, click on apply and it's going to show you all of those restaurants that have the cheapest delivery. And those are delivery that from that offers, for example, no money or zero or the cheapest options. And you can easily go ahead and scroll down and find what you want to buy and you'll have the cheapest delivery option. So for example, this restaurant here, you can see that the delivery is zero right now, so I would not pay any money for delivery, as you can see. And as you can see, it will always give you the important information to know how much you have to order something over to get that zero down. So for example, this restaurant here, it says you pay zero delivery with Bolt Plus and on orders that are 170 or more, right? So you can easily check that out as well. And of course, you will scroll down. Once you're about to purchase something, you will see how much it will actually cost for you to deliver. But once you filter that, you'll find all of the restaurants that has the least delivery price for delivery for food. And that's it.